Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's raining tacos from out of the air. We're gonna be doing another dance tutorial, y'all. Hold on, guys, let me try to remember. Oh yeah. So you're gonna bark like a chicken, and then you're gonna put like your fists, and then you're gonna go like this, and then like this, and then you're gonna turn around and do this with your hands, and then you're gonna do this. Then you're gonna point two guns in the air, and then you're gonna change your hands to go like this and like this, and then we're done. That's the end of the video, boys. We'll see you back in the next tutorial. And make sure to like and subscribe. Don't remember our goal, guys. See you later.